So what we have, guys, soft close for some reason stopped working. So how you can see it just pumping down, up, and not actually locking the boot lid, which causes error on the dash. It says boot open, even if the lock's working properly, but the soft close is not working. Never happened before, just one day it stopped working. So if you leave it like that, it will go up and down for a few minutes, and after it will lock the boot by you never know for how long. It looks like some cables, wires are glitching, so we're gonna unplug the inner liner and trying to reach initial lock and see how it looks inside. So that's how looks the pins. So we have two, another free underliner, and another two in plastic cover. I believe it's just sliding it down. Yeah. And we have one part of the lock. Let's do another one. Let's see how the soft close. That's the aberration. Let's take the liner off. Oh, you see? So now it's kind of locked. It stays up, but before I did the same, I went to the swimming pool on the corner. It started glitching again, so probably some wire is glitching. So let's open and take the lock from here. So we have another few torques here holding the lock, few connections, and I should be able to take it away, bring it home to the desk, check the cables. So once the liner is off, make sure you put the struts back so you don't need to hold your boot lid because it's quite heavy, and we still need to unscrew the initial lock. So I will leave it like that and we'll start to unscrew the lock. So once you unplug the wires here with this one, it will be like that. Slide it in and that connector will be inside. So this one you just pull out, it's alright. This one, it's actually one, it's not even connection, it's like one piece together, so you can't unplug this part. So the only thing which you need to do, it's a small pin there, you can do it even with a nail, and slide the whole connector away, and it will be exactly the same on the other side. And once you unscrew the lock, don't forget there are like two more bolts inside. So these are the last two bolts which are holding all this lock. Okay guys, the lock is on the table. So from this side, that's the wire which we need. It's very easy to take it off. You unplug it here
and plug it there and check the cable. But on this side it was much more difficult because of this piece. So this is the same as that. It's not straight out, it's inside. So I will show you. That's what the connector of soft close works, and it was deeply inside. So this plastic is quite soft, so I managed to take it out. Hopefully I will manage to put it back, because actually this actuator or whatever need to press inside, and the system will send a signal that the lock is closed. But the main thing why we took this cable, so let's push it away. It's so difficult when you're on your own. So I cut insulation, and I found, I don't know if my iPhone will show you, see the black and the green cables, wires are damaged. So to be honest, it's not critical, it's not a lot. I don't know if it can cause the issue, but it's definitely worth to fix it, and we'll see if it will help. But yeah, I expected something like really broken, but this one doesn't look like fully broken, just the beginning. So we'll try it with fix it with a tape, and we'll see if it will help. I'm not sure if I want to take another cable, but probably once the lock is here I will check another ones as well. And wish me luck to put this connector back there. So I hate working with the wires and electric stuff, because I'm not really good in this. So that's what I managed to do, just insulate it with the black tape. Now we're gonna fix the main cover, put it back, and try another one. Another one should be easy because it's everything open, so it will be just unclick and all done. So let's carry on. So when you fit this cable back, I found out that there's like 2 small pins and 2 small holes in the locker. You see now I'm holding this connector, otherwise it will fall down. I reckon, in some case, if this plastic bit for some reason will be twisted from these 2 holes from its right position, it can lose the connection with the soft close. It's difficult to see here. So basically, when you will open it, check if it's aligned with these 2 holes, because maybe the issue not with the cable, but the issue is with the this sensor. If it's moved away from these holes, it's not connecting anymore with the lock when it's moving. Let's do another side. To be honest, it was much easier to put it in. Once I aligned these small holes, I just moved this white cover on top of it. So managed to do it quite easy. Much easier than take it out, because you see, it's like some bit of it inside. That's why it's very difficult to take it out, but looks everything alright, it's fixed there. So let's do another side. So I already unplugged this connector here. I unplugged the cable, so now we're gonna just slide it away, rip the wire outer cover, and check how looks the initial wires inside. Sorry for filming from the phone, doing with one hand, but hopefully I will fix it and it will help you. Here we go, guys. We found the issue. It's completely snapped. So the green wire is completely snapped and the black one is close to it already. So that's 100% was the issue, why the soft lock stopped working properly. Well, we managed to fix in time the other one, because it was still alright. So now we will do these ones somehow, probably same with the tape. Hopefully it will work. Well, everything together. We put everything together. Well, not we. It's only me. Let's close it. Fingers crossed. Perfect. No dancing anymore. So it's completely shut.